Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today we'll be discussing the Root Cause Corrective Actions report, its importance in the food safety management system, and its key components. A Root Cause Corrective Actions or RCCA report is a structured document used in quality management and problem-solving processes to identify the root causes of issues, incidents, or non-conformities within an organization and to outline the corrective actions taken to address these root causes. RCCA reports are commonly used in various industries, including manufacturing, healthcare, aviation, and food safety, to ensure that problems are not just fixed on the surface but are thoroughly understood and prevented from recurring. The primary purpose of an RCCA report is to 1. Identify the root cause, discover the underlying reasons behind incidents or nonconformities. 2. Implement corrective actions, develop and implement solutions to prevent the issue from recurring. 3. Enhance preventive measures, improve your food safety management system by learning from past mistakes. The key components and purposes of an RCCA report are as follows. First, the identification of the problem or incident. The report begins by clearly defining the problem or incident that occurred. This could be anything from a product defect, safety incident, quality issue, customer complaint, or any other situation that requires investigation and resolution. Then, it is the immediate corrective action. Here, you take the immediate steps to address the issue to prevent further harm or contamination. After the immediate corrective actions are implemented comes the root cause analysis. The primary focus of an RCCA report is to determine the underlying or root causes that led to the problem or incident. This involves a systematic investigation, often using various tools and methodologies such as the 5 whys technique, fishbone diagrams also called Ishikawa diagrams, fault tree analysis, or failure mode and effects analysis. The goal is to dig deep and identify the fundamental reasons why the problem occurred. Some activities may involve reviewing records, conducting interviews, and analyzing data. One of the tools we consider the easiest to implement and find the root cause of a problem is the 5 whys. You can check out our video in the link below for more information on this tool. Once the root causes are identified, the report outlines the corrective actions that will be or have been implemented to address these root causes. Corrective actions are specific, actionable steps taken to prevent the problem from happening again. Create corrective actions that are SMART, that means specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Now, in addition to corrective actions, root cause corrective action reports often include preventive actions. These are measures put in place to prevent similar issues from occurring in the future. Preventive actions aim to strengthen processes, systems, and controls to reduce the likelihood of recurrence. The report should also clearly specify who is responsible for implementing each corrective and preventive action and establish timelines for completion. Accountability is crucial to ensure that the actions are carried out effectively and in a timely manner. The report may include a section on how the effectiveness of the corrective and preventive actions will be verified and validated. This could involve testing, audits, or other methods to confirm that the measures put in place are indeed preventing recurrence. Comprehensive documentation of the entire root cause corrective action process is essential. This includes records of the investigation, analysis, action plans, and outcomes. Proper documentation is critical for compliance, audits, and future reference. And finally, closure and review. The Root Cause Corrective Action report typically concludes with a formal closure of the investigation, signifying that the problem has been adequately addressed. It may also include a provision for periodic reviews to ensure the sustained effectiveness of the implemented actions. Effective record keeping is the backbone of any successful food safety management system. It ensures that all processes are documented and compliant with food safety standards. The Root Cause Corrective Action report is a crucial component of this record-keeping system, as it helps identify and address the root causes of nonconformities and incidents. Here is an example of a root cause corrective actions report for a fictional scenario involving a manufacturing company that experienced a product defect issue. Please note that this example is simplified, and in a real-world situation, the report's content and depth may vary based on the complexity of the problem and the organization's specific procedures. For the issue identification, we add the date of the occurrence and the description of the issue. For example, there are customer complaints received regarding product defects in batch ABC. For the root cause analysis, the root cause would be, for example, inadequate quality control procedures in the production process. The analysis methodology utilized is the 5 whys technique and conducted a fishbone diagram analysis. For the corrective actions, we have the immediate corrective action, where the affected products are being isolated and quarantined to prevent further distribution, along with communication to the affected customers and initiating a recall process. In the root cause resolution, we review and update the quality control procedures for the production line. We are implementing additional checks and inspections at critical stages of the production process, and also conduct training for production staff on the updated procedures. The company will offer replacement products or refunds to affected customers and communicate the process for returning the defective products. Next, we have the preventive actions, which could be enhanced quality control measures and performing regular training and skill enhancement, and can be implemented as follows. For the quality control measures, implement a rigorous quality control checklist at every production stage, increase sampling frequency for quality checks, and assign dedicated quality control personnel to oversee production. For the training and skill enhancement, develop a continuous training program for production staff, ensure all employees are well-versed in quality control procedures, and conduct quarterly assessments of employee competencies. As we mentioned before, the report should specify who is responsible for implementing each corrective and preventive action and establish timelines for completion. In this case, the quality control manager will be responsible for updating quality control procedures within 2 weeks. The quality control supervisor will be responsible for implementing enhanced quality control measures within 1 month. Human resources will be responsible for organizing regular training sessions, and the customer service team will be responsible for contacting affected customers and processing replacement or refunds within 1 week. Now, we have the verification and validation. Here we will conduct an internal audit in 3 months to verify the effectiveness of the implemented corrective and preventive actions. Additionally, there will be continuously monitor customer feedback for any recurring issues. Further, all actions, communications, and findings related to this root cause corrective actions are documented in the root cause corrective actions log. For example, this could be the document RCCA number 2023-001. Finally, this root cause corrective actions report will be reviewed in 6 months to assess the sustained effectiveness of the corrective and preventive actions. And the quality assurance manager will be responsible to sign off the report. Please note that in a real-world scenario, this report may include additional details, such as supporting data, test results, and a more comprehensive analysis. The level of detail and documentation can vary depending on the organization's standards and the complexity of the problem being addressed. Let's take a look at a couple of examples to illustrate the power of root cause corrective actions. First example is for a contaminated product recall. Imagine a scenario where a batch of a food product is recalled due to contamination. The root cause corrective action process may reveal that the contamination was caused by inadequate cleaning procedures in the production line. The corrective actions might include enhancing sanitation protocols and employee training. The other example is for an allergic reaction incident, where a customer experiences an allergic reaction after consuming a product. The root cause corrective actions might uncover that the ingredient list was not correctly updated. The corrective actions would involve revising labeling procedures and improving quality control checks. In conclusion, The Root Cause Corrective Actions report is a pivotal tool in maintaining food safety within an organization's food safety management system. Its importance cannot be overstated in ensuring compliance with standards, preventing incidents, and continuously improving your processes. Root Cause Corrective Actions reports are essential for continuous improvement, risk mitigation, and maintaining quality and safety standards within an organization. They provide a structured approach to problem solving, helping organizations not only resolve immediate issues but also prevent similar issues from occurring in the future. Remember, the Root Cause Corrective Actions process is not just about fixing issues when they arise, it's about learning from them and proactively enhancing your food safety measures. Effective implementation of root cause corrective actions can save your organization from costly recalls, legal troubles, and most importantly, protect the health and trust of your customers. Thank you for watching our video. If you found it informative, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from this knowledge. We wish you all the best and hope to see you again soon.